This land is marvelous with high mountains, great rivers and stunning nature. One of these spectacular sites in the southern part of Uzbekistan is the Surkhan State Nature Reserve, located in the Surkhan Darya province. Unique scenery of Surkhan Darya stuns every visitor to this land. It's surrounded by Kokhitang and Boysun mountains from the west, by Gisar mountains from the north, and by Bobatog mountains from the east. Clean and clear air, colorful trees and unique mountains make this region even more spectacular. For it stretches along the southernmost region, the temperature is a bit higher than in other regions. Surkhan Darya and Sherabat rivers, tributaries of Amu Darya, are the main source of water. There are over 250 springs in the mountainous and foothill areas. The Surkhan State Nature Reserve simply has to be mentioned talking about the nature of this region. The reserve is located in the eastern part of the Kokhitang mountain and consists of 7 areas. The ultimate purpose of establishment of Surkhan State Nature Reserve, with the area of 23,802 hectares, is to preserve the mountainous forest ecosystem intact and to protect markhor and Bukharian deer, considered as endangered animal species and included in the International Red Book and the Red Book of Uzbekistan. The Surkhan State Nature Reserve covers the area on the altitude of 850 meters to 3,137 meters and located on the eastern slope of the Kokhitang mountain range. The slope of the range recedes from the northwest to the southeast. The temperature goes up to plus 40 and 47 degrees in summer. In winter, it drops to minus 15 to 20 degrees. There is little precipitation. Most of the rain falls in spring and is unevenly distributed throughout the year. There is little snow and it melts fast. Snow is accumulated on the slopes on the reverse side to the sun and in ravines, and the thickness of snow is 40 and 110 centimeters. It's not hard to notice the cliffs, which soar 500 and 600 meters above the surface of the mountains. They mostly consist of layers of limestone, granite and shale. 50 to 150 centimeter thick coal layers are also found at some points. The eastern slopes of the Kokhitang mountain range are nearly vertical. There are numerous ravines and gorges. The examples of these ravines can be Tangideval, Kiyikdara, Zarautsoy, Olti Kunlik, Chonqirdara, and Palangdara. They are located mostly on the northern part. The area has both permanent and temporary sources of running water. They consist of many small streams. Some of them flow round the year, and in some of them, the flow changes depending on the season and precipitation. Water flow increases in spring with intensive rain and melting snow. Particularly in April and May, average annual water flow is 10-15 cubic meters per second. Streams get shallow in summer and flow drops to 1 and 1.5 cubic meters per second. Because the Surkhan State Nature Reserve is located in the mountainous area, it features mountain-specific soil. For example, brown soil is found up to the altitude of 2,000 and 2,500 meters, light brown earth in all lands above 2,500 meters, and mountain brown soil is observed in the juniper and deciduous forests, and dark gray soil in the area up to 1,400 and 1,500 meters, while pastures and wetlands are found in the area with groundwaters near the surface. With its marvelous scenery, unique terrain and intact nature, the Surkhan State Nature Reserve is one of the most spectacular sights of Uzbekistan.